Hello, it is Torx Addiction with Torx Savior, Torx Legends, and Torx Twisty. Torx Twisty cannot talk right now, but dude, still, this is our kind of creation. It is the Sonic Boom. It creates a Sonic Boom and kills, like, everybody. It just demolishes. It is crazy. Boom. Yeah, Torx Legends made it, and it was really cool.
They're breaking it because the turbine is out of power.
But yeah, it is really cool.
I'm going to get another turbine. You guys stay there.
Okay. Yeah, I'm kind of blocking right now, but yeah, we have been just bored playing this, but yeah, it is really cool. What are you doing, Nick? Are you, dude? You're mean. Are you really gonna do that to him?
You can't see it. Oh, I can't.
Yeah, but this is pretty much the unstoppable force that we have made, and I'm gonna do something later, and bye.